Advanced manufacturing is the use of innovative technologies that result in new or cutting-edge products and processes. Los Angeles has a diversified economy with a strong manufacturing base, and there are many advanced manufacturing companies in the region that produce high-tech products such as aerospace components, medical devices, and electronics. In support of this important industry, TradeTech offers a certificate and degree program in Machine Shop CNC, which stands for Computer Numerical Control, which is a manufacturing process that uses computerized machines to precisely control the movement and operation of tools and machines. CNC machines are highly accurate and efficient, and they can be programmed to produce complex shapes and patterns with consistent precision, making them essential in modern manufacturing. Students will learn how to use related terminology, safely set up and operate numerous conventional and CNC machine tools, use computers to program various CNC machines directly or with computer-assisted machinery, and interpret mostly related parts and assembly drawings. Three-dimensional printing, the use of robotics in manufacturing, and laser cutting and design teach our students the latest trends in this industry. Join the Advanced Manufacturing program at TradeTech today.